Great Day starts now.
Welcome back to Great Day, and it will be a great day after you hear this. It's been called the curse of the cottage cheese, or jelly thighs because jam don't shake. And then there's hail damage. I'm talking about cellulite. Yes, yes. Up until now, it's been really hard to get rid of. Even some of Hollywood's A-listers have been spotted on the beach rocking some dimples. Now there's a new procedure making headlines across the country, and it's available in Houston. Here with more is board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Thomas McHugh. Hello. Good morning. All right, first let me say that you all have a new location, and we're going to get to that in just a little bit.
Sure.
But up until now, there have not been a lot of things that were super effective on cellulite.
Well, there's a lot of treatments, and what they do is they kind of mask it. And as long as you keep up, it's like 3 times a week for a couple hours, and then you do it for 5 weeks, and then still when you stop, it all comes back.
Yeah.
This new treatment is a one-time treatment, and it actually attacks the anatomy of cellulite.
Ooh, we're going to talk about that in a second, but let's back up a little bit. And you say the anatomy of cellulite.
Right.
What is cellulite, and why do women seem to have it more than men? Is it because y'all have hairy legs that cover it up, or what's the situation here?
It's a lot of it is genetics,
Yeah.
hormonal. It can be the way people eat. You know, some will say, well, my sister's got it, my mom's got it, now I've got it.
Yeah, we see supermodels who have it, and they have like the perfect bodies, but they still can't get rid of that
and
cellulite.
they have access to everything.
Yeah.
They have access to whatever they want to do to get rid of it. But this is the first time it's a real treatment that is a one-time treatment that you can do.
Okay, so it's called Cellulaze. So let's talk about how this procedure works, and then we'll take a look at how it actually works in our legs. So you were explaining earlier how it attacks the cellulite.
The real key to this, it is a laser treatment. It is specifically the fiber that makes a difference, because what's called a sidelight fiber. It shoots to the side, so you can get rid of the little bit of extra fat. You can get rid of the banding that holds the skin down. And then you treat the underneath surface of the skin to give a smoother look to the skin, where a laser pointer would just go straight ahead. This goes to the side, which is real key because it's directional. Meaning if you have energy that'll go to the side, you turn it one way, it'll help the deep fat. You turn it to the side, it helps those little bands that give you the dimples. You turn it towards the skin. So it's real directional, and it's just fascinating because it's a one-time treatment.
Yeah, and it looks like something that is less trauma to the body than like even liposuction would be, because liposuction is a little bit more aggressive.
Oh, exactly, because you don't really liposuction any fat, because this is very superficial. If someone has a large amount of fat in an area, sure, you can do liposuction the same time as you do this, but it is a different treatment. So, you know, again, the key to this is it's been followed. It's been followed for 2.5 years, and those results stay.
Yeah.
It's not something that you do and then, oh man, I'm going to have to do it again in 6 months or in a year or that. No, it's a one-time. So you can help the dimpling. You can get a smoother look. You can help even to the buttock, the thighs, all that.
Yeah.
It does real well to help one time.
And the other thing is that it helps in terms of the collagen to help to make the skin tighter?
To thicken the skin. Again, in all the studies, 25% thickness of the skin, increase the elasticity of the skin, 29%. This is all FDA-approved studies that were done to show all this.
Yeah, I think we have another video that just shows you kind of how it happens in the leg. So what you do is you have this
Again, it's a very 1 millimeter fiber, and the key to this is very safe, because this black portion on there helps because it keeps track of temperature, so you don't do any damage. And again, as it goes underneath the skin to help on the side, to help that little bit of fat, turning it as it shows to get rid of the little bit of bands, and then again right underneath the skin, so it helps all 3 phases instead of just kind of plumping up the skin so you don't see it as much.
Yeah, and the fat, although it gives us lots of problems, that fat cell, that cellulite cell, it is not very strong, so when it doesn't take much.
Oh, not at all, not at all. But the whole key to this is safety, and again, it's been very worked out of how much energy you need, where the safe temperatures are. So, but it is a very, very strong laser. So it is usually only plastic surgeons or dermatologists with a lot of experience in surgery that are actually allowed to use it.
Yeah. What about downtime?
Downtime. The key to this after is lymphatic drainage. It's a massage, very light massage.
Which is something you all provide at your spa.
Because we keep it all together, because somebody wants to go one place and get things done. You don't want to be sent here, sent there, sent here. So we have experts that do that. A lady, Lynette, that's an expert in getting rid of that extra fluid that builds up. People are back doing their normal things the next day. Are you back at the gym? No, it's a little bit sore.
Yeah.
But maybe a little bit of some bruising, but usually not much. So it does excellent to where people can go on their way. You wear a little bit of a compression garment for 2 weeks, not like 6 weeks or that from liposuction. So it's a whole different deal.
All right, so you have the lymphatic massage. You mentioned the spa, which your spa is amazing. Your wife has done a great job on just how it's decorated, the whole bit. You've moved to a new location, so that spa is bigger, but let's go through some of the other amenities that you have at that spa.
Well, at our old office, which is in the 1960s area, now we're in the Woodlands, and we're right on the freeway, just south of Woodlands Parkway, which makes it so much easier for people to get to. And this shows all the different things with still with the colonics and the massage and the pedicure, manicure, where people come and just spend their time. But this is all, again, the new office, and where we brought everything from the old office, but again, with all the chandeliers and the niceties.
Yeah. Catherine, I want to move in. Okay. So if I come there and get anything done, I'm moving in. I'll be the one that doesn't leave.
Right? We're happy to have you. Come on.
All right. So you can say the key to this is?
Well, the key is, in the boutique area, that Catherine goes to all these different markets and gets things you just can't get in Houston. There are all these different clothing lines that are very exciting because people come in and they have all this new things done, and they have different bathing suits and shoes and just all the different dresses. But these are a lot of one of a kind.
Yeah.
People that are from Italy and all over.
And this is like one of those places where bridal showers can come, Catherine. You can celebrate your wedding anniversary, whatever you want to do. You can come sit there and have lots of things done that are non-surgical, but if you want to get a little something extra, you can always book an appointment with you right next door.
And there's a lot of even, charity events and that are done at our office because it's so nice. We've had people come and they want to get their bridal pictures and things like that. But it's not just the nicety, it's the whole package together.
Yeah.
So you can get that one stop, you can get the new clothes, you can come see me, you can get your Botox or whatever you want. But upstairs, so you don't have to go someplace else, we even have 10 hairstylists that are there now.
Wow, can do extensions, styles, whatever you want. Yeah.
Everything from cut, color, and everything.
Love it. If you have a little issue with cellulite and you want it gone, or you have any other cosmetic issues, Dr. McHugh has a special offer. You can get $500 off the Cellulaze treatment. Cellulaze is what it's called. That offer stands for the first 50 callers. The number to call is 281-444-3733, 281-444-3733. You can also go online to McHughPlasticSurgery.com for a full list of services provided by Dr. McHugh's office and their spa. You can also go to SecretExpressionsMedSpa.com to find out about the services they provide. And again, that's Secret Expressions. You can start wearing your shorts pretty soon. And again, how long does it take before we start seeing that dimpling go away?
You'll see some immediate reaction. But 3 months is where we tell people, okay, kind of hang in there for 3 months and you'll start seeing a big difference.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
He was staring at my thigh the entire time. All right, there are several options for people who...